Students can create practice tests for themselves in order to prepare for graded assessments or for additional practice outside of homework. To start, they enter a test name. They can then select the chapters and lessons they would like included on the test, specify the number of questions, as well as a time limit if they would like to mimic a timed testing environment. They can then select the Start button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to begin the practice test. From here, students will use their keyboard to enter in answers. They can jump back and forth between questions, just like they would with a paper and pencil assessment. The student also has access to a keypad in the right-hand side of the screen in order to enter special characters and symbols. In the top left-hand corner of the screen, the student can use their drop-down box in order to navigate to unanswered questions. They can then select Submit Assignment in the top left-hand corner, and this will take them to their results page. This page will show the overall score on the practice test at the top of the page. At the bottom of the screen is a visual display of the results, including a lesson-by-lesson breakdown of the performance on the test. They can then select any of the lessons listed in order to open a custom set of practice questions for that lesson. This additional targeted review will help them practice and master concepts they struggled with on the test. From there, they will have access to the tutor in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, which provides a step-by-step breakdown of the instruction, as well as a full worked out solution for every problem. At any point, they can navigate back to the results page, where they will have access to the review button. When the student selects the review button, they'll be able to see the specific questions they answered correctly and incorrectly. The drop-down navigation in the top left-hand corner allows them to hide correct in order to focus on wrong answers. From here, students have access once again to the tutor on the top right-hand side of the screen, where they not only have the full worked out solution, but they also receive explain error feedback on wrong answers, allowing them to learn from their mistake. These results show students their strengths and weaknesses and provides each student with targeted feedback and remediation to help them prioritize their study time.